How you doing? Todd Uminski, back at it here. Just thinking about working hard and just not getting stuff done sometimes. The procrastination we all do. We try to get things done. Maybe we put down our lists. We work hard, or we think we're working hard, but we're actually procrastinating. Putting the effort in, you're not putting enough in. I'm not putting enough in. For the goals and dreams I want to achieve and the things I want for my family and friends and people around me, I got to put way more in. I got to 10x what I do. I work hard. I don't think I'm working hard enough. There are some days that, you get your mental blocks, you're replying to all these emails, but not really going off your list of achievements that you need to achieve, list of, your to-do items, the things you really need to get done to propel yourself forward in this world. All I can say is that you're not putting the time in. You're not putting the effort in. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing enough. Sometimes you got to look at yourself in the mirror and say, I'm not doing enough. Work harder. Become more productive. Get past those days that, think about it. It's in the past. Get rid of it. It's gone. So tomorrow morning, let's start again. Let's get our goals, write them down, put some action items down. We got to put action items down. We need to make these lists. If we don't put these lists down, they're just up in the air. They're just going to sit there. You got to go back to your list and actually do things. You can't wish this stuff. This stuff isn't going to just come to you. It's all good and fine to dream and, think of your future, which is also great, but you'd have to action. Time for action, call to action. Let's get these things going. Motivate somebody else. Share this video. You need to put this stuff out to people. Start your own video. Do something that's going to motivate somebody else. Help someone in your life achieve what they want to do in their life. So get out there, do it. I hope this helps someone out there. Share. I love you to hear what you guys think about these videos. All I want to do is help people. It's something that I feel like I'm here for. And I hope I can help motivate somebody. That's all I can tell you. So we'll talk to you soon. Let's talk to you soon.